Adaptive Cruise Control with Low Speed Follow, or ACC, helps make for greater confidence and convenience on the open road. ACC maintains a set following interval behind detected vehicles. It can even bring the vehicle to a stop and resume following again. To start the system, press the ACC button on the steering wheel. A white ACC icon will appear in the digital instrument cluster. Press either side of the Resume Set button to set the cruise speed. If your current speed is below or at 25 miles per hour, the speed will be set to 25 miles per hour. If you press the button above 25 miles per hour, the cruise speed will be set to the current speed. In either case, the ACC icon will turn to green. In addition, a vehicle icon, interval bars, and the set speed appear in the digital instrument cluster. When a vehicle is detected ahead, a vehicle icon will appear. If the vehicle detected ahead stops, your vehicle will slow and stop as well. A stopped message will appear in the digital instrument cluster. When the vehicle detected ahead resumes or departs from in front of you, the vehicle icon will start blinking. Press the Resume Set button or the accelerator to resume operating up to the prior set speed. To change the following interval, repeatedly press the interval button. It will cycle through the choices. To cancel ACC, do any of the following. Step on the brake pedal, or press the cancel button. The ACC icon will turn from green to white, or press the ACC button and the ACC icon will disappear. To switch from ACC with low speed follow to conventional cruise control, press and hold the interval button for 1 second. To switch back, follow the same step. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.